Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kami isang soulful, meaningful tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan na sinusubayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? May kami shoutout po sa lahat natin soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang ating po readingan pagsasamahan ay para po sa buwan ng May. Pasensya na po kung medyo na late at medyo na busy po ang inyong lingkod lately, but rest assured, I'm still here po. Still, pasok pa rin pa naman po. It's because May 3 pa rin ngayon. Para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Taurus. Okay, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you, May 2026 reading. Anong mo mensahe at ganap na dapat mong asahan? Kapag bago pa kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And kapag napapanood nyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-follow. And if you want to build a private reading, pag-message po kayo sa ating TikTok account. Hindi po ako yung unang mag-message po sa inyo sapagkat napakarami pong scammer na nagagaya po nating account at baka maloko po kayo. So, kayo po yung unang mag-message po sa atin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot for private reading. Alright? So, sige, Taurus, huwag nating patagalin pa to. Kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha para sa May 2026 reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Utang na loob ko po sa inyong lahat sapagkat kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Thank you so much po. Alright, so Taurus, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na nating patagalin pa ito. Sige, for your first card sa yung May 2026, Taurus, we have here the 8 of Pentacles. I can see a very busy month for you this May 2026. Siguro, nararamdaman nyo na ngayon parang ang daming mga ganap, ang daming obligations and responsibilities na mabibisi ka. But this is more on money-making related activities, mga sideline, side hustle, mga business, business ideas or mga maybe part-time job or kung ano man itong mga bagay na parang bago sa'yo na gagawin mo. It's like, tatanggapin mo or tatrabahuin mo. It's like any kind of activity na mabibisi ka na maaaring makadagdag sa kapirahan mo. It's like, with the 8 of Pentacles, this may expect opportunities related sa activities na mag-yield or mag-produce sa'yo ng kapirahan para sa Taurus. Right? So, pangalawa, 8 of Swords. So, ano ba to? May mga bumabagapag daw sa isipan mo. Taurus, ano ba to na parang this May 2026, you want to be free. You want freedom. Gusto mo makalaya. Isang sitwasyon na parang nakakulong ka or paulit-ulit na lang. It's like a cycle that keeps on disappointing you, na patuloy na nananakit sa'yo or nagpapasakit sa ulo mo, parang kumbaga nagkakos sa'yo ng problem. What is this, Taurus? Parang mayroong isang bagay na hindi ka pa rin makaalis-alis. It keeps on haunting you. And you want this May 2026 na sana makalaya ka na o matapos na ito. Ito yung nakikita natin dito, Taurus. Maaring toxic friendship, relationship, trabaho, ano man yan, bisyo ba yan? So this is more on parang isang bagay na talagang hihirapan ka na and you want freedom or you want to be free from this certain situation. Tingnan natin. Okay, Taurus, 7 of Cups. There's a lot of things that running on your mind. This May 2026, ang daming tumatakbo sa isipan mo na gusto mong gawin. Or like, it seems that parang hindi ka pa tapos sa isa, may gusto ka naman gawin, may gusto ka naman i-consider. Pero darating, i-consider mo naman kung tatanggapin mo po siya. It's like, Taurus, like your mind is now preoccupied with a lot of things. Ang daming gumugulo sa isipan mo. You're undecided. Parang kahit di mo alam kung saan nagagaling yung information, hindi mo alam, parang kalat-kalat yung emotions mo dito. With the 7 of Cups, I can hear that your life is really, kumbaga, this May 2026, like overwhelmed, Parang, ang dami talaga. Ang dami gumugulo sa isipan mo. Ang dami mong gustong gawin, ang dami mong plano, hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula, alin bang uunahin mo, saan ka pupunta, sino ang kakausapin mo. Ito yung energy na nakikita natin dito, Taurus. Right? Sige. Pang-apat, we have here the 5 of Cups. So it seems meron talagang a little bit of disappointment, guilt feeling, may frustration. Parang may isang bagay talaga na nagkakos sa'yo na gusto-gusto mo na talagang sabi ko makalaya o matapos with this May 2026. You really want to move forward na Taurus. There's a certain situation na talagang maybe you're just keeping it to yourself. Sinasarili mo lang ito, hindi ka nagsasalita sa ibang tao. Kumbaga, ikaw lang nakakaalam ito. Maybe you're acting okay outside but deep inside you're not okay, Taurus. Ito yung nakikita nating energy dito. And this month, you really wanted to break free. Gusto mo na matapos ito. You really want to move forward. You really want to release from something na nagpapahirap sa'yo or parang nagbabagabag sa isipan mo. With the Five of Cups here, so I can see here that there's a little bit of, emotional baggage or stress that is haunting you or causing you some sleepless nights or like, parang bumabagabag talaga sa isipan mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Four of Cups, this is related to your career daw. Maaring you're frustrated, you really want your life to move forward in terms of your goals and plans. Marami kang plano, marami kang pangarap, but still feeling mo stuck ka sa sitwasyon na walang growth na nangyayari. And this May 2026, I can see here in action, may mga gagawin ka ng hakbang, may mga iniisip kang planong gagawin. Or maybe if you're waiting for a help is on the way. At Taurus, meron ding mga offer na parating para sa'yo na pag-iisipan kung tatanggapin mo. It's because maaaring mag-decide ka kasi it's like for a long time, parang daming panahon or oras na sinayang mo. Maybe you're waiting for something but at this time nakikita mo na hindi na talaga worth it or parang hindi na nagpo-progress na. That's why you're going to make a way or magta-decide ka na talaga. And with this Four of Cups, tingnan mo, Five of Cups, you're really frustrated. Okay, gusto mo mag-improve ang buhay mo but it seems that parang sabi ko walang dumarating eh. That's why with this Four of Cups, this May 2026, this will be the time that you're going to make an action or kikilos ka na talaga or gagawa ka na para matapos na ito. For you to accomplish anything that you want, Taurus, it's like, nakikita natin dito talagang kikilos ka na. It's like, you're going to make a way, you're going to think, or you're going to talk, or lalapit ka na sa mga tao na maaaring hihingan mo ng tulong dito. Because parang feeling mo hindi na pwede patagalin itong pagkatenga mo, Taurus. Alright? So, sige. We have 5 cards more in the second row. Before we proceed, ulitin ko kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nakarasanit po kahit di pa mo kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, huwag po kayo may follow. And if you want to be a private reading, please message me directly. Hindi po kayo una mag-message sa inyo kapag may iba pang nag-message sa inyo na una, scammer po yan, nanggagaya po yung account natin. So baka maloko po kayo. Kayo lang po unang mag-send po sa akin ng private message sa TikTok at pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makaka-avail ng private reading. Alright? So let's continue sa yung pang-anim na baraha for May 2026. We have here the Hierophant. So I can see here you have a lot of manifestations. Ang dami mong pinag-pray, ang dami mong manifest, ang dami mong wishes na talaga ibinubulong sa universe. With the Hierophant card here, every day of your life, bawat gising bago matulog, yung isip mo ay punong-puno talaga ng manifestations and prayers. Like, you really wanted something. Lalong-lalo nakikita ko dito, may kinalaman sa career at kaperahan itong minimanifest mo. You really want gusto mo may blessing talaga dumating. Pera ang pinag-uusapan dito because there's something na gusto mong i-settle or ma-accomplish na pera ang kailangan. And with the Hierophant card here, I can see that it's been a long time na talagang parang everyday ito talagang pinag-pray mo, dinadasal mo, niluluhod mo to the universe sa Panginoon na sana masolusyonan na ang lahat ng ito. Okay? And believe me, with the Four of Cups, sabi ko, just a matter of patience because there will be a solution here. May tulong na parating ang may offer para sa'yo. But with this May 2026, at least hindi man siya biglaan, there will be an improvement para sa'yo, Taurus. Right? So, ito, sabi ko, the Moon card here, nakikita ko kasi nabablock yung manifestations mo. It's because your emotions are scattered or imbalance, hindi balance. So, ayusin mo ito. This May 2026, there will be clarity with everything, Taurus, para sa'yo. So, kung gusto mo talagang dumating na ito na mabilisan at talagang you really needed it badly, so Taurus, kailangan mo kalmahin ang sarili mo. I-clear mo yung puso at isipan mo ng mga negativities and toxicities kasi nagsisilbi yung blockages. Okay? I do understand you, hindi madali ang lahat kasi eto, nakatali ka sa sitwasyon eh. Ito yung katapat niyang card. Toxicity, you really want freedom. That's why syempre magulo yung isipan mo kaya hindi balance yung emotions mo. But believe me, if you you make a step, at least simple step of thinking positively, tutuloy-tuloy na yan. Pag na-recalibrate mo yung isipan mo into positive one, balansin mo yung emotion mo with this moon card, everything will fall into place for you. What is this, Taurus? Right? Sige, para sa yung pangwalong baraha, para sa yung May 2026 reading, Taurus, is the Star. Okay, wow, there's a healing here. There's a moving on. Sabi ko nga eh, so tingnan mo, we have here the Five of Cups. Everything is not okay for you lately. So but Taurus, this May 2026, there will be healing. Okay, naturally healing with the frustrations, with the painful experiences that you've been through. Marami kang pinagdaanan, hindi madali. Hindi to yung normal na problema, Taurus, alam ko. It seems na talagang binuhos sa'yo ang lahat ng problema. But you don't know where to go. You don't know where to start. Sabi ko, hindi mo alam kung paano mo ibabago ang sarili mo. And with this star card here, everything will fall into place for you. There will be solution. There will be good news with this star card here. So it's like, parang ito yung kabayaran ng lahat ng pagsasakripisyo mo, lahat ng hirap ng pinagdaan mo. Papalitan ito ng blessings, papalitan ito ng mga good news, and i-claim mo na ito, Taurus, this May 2026, everything will make sense for you, and magugulat ka na parang hindi mo ito ini-expect, at you're really not expecting it, kasi parang feeling mo wala ng pag-asa. It's like endless lang lahat, hopeless lang lahat para sa'yo. But with this star card here, there's still a light at the end of the tunnel for you, Taurus. Just believe and just be patient, okay? Sige. Oh, we have here the Five of Pentacles. So, this also includes na kailangan mo din, kasi isa sa nag-cost din sa'yo daw, Taurus, for the past months because parang naging maluho ka, panay gastos ka sa mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan pagkagastosan, and now parang nahihirapan ka. Problema mo talaga ay finances, di ba sinabi ko? That's why with the Five of Pentacles here, you're really advised to monitor or kung talagang magtipid, hawakan na mabuti ang resources kung meron man. This is not the best time, this May 2026, para mag-aksaya ng resources ng pera because may kinakailangan kang paggamitan nito. Hindi to pwede yung pagiging impulsive or pagiging, pabugso-bugso sa mga desisyon kapag pera ang pinag-usapan. Ito, Five of Pentacles here. So, this is stagnancy in terms of money. That's why kinakailangan talaga, Taurus, ang pagtitipid, doble tipid. Kasi hindi araw-araw ay Pasko para sa'yo. So, nakikita natin, you're manifesting and wishing for something money-related. So, nag-wish ka nga na may dumating, bakit ka mag-aaksaya? Okay? So, 10th and last card mo. Tapusin natin ito, Taurus, yung May 2026 reading mo with the Six of Swords. So, what does it mean? So, for you to be free, kung gusto mo talagang mapalaya ng sarili mo sa mga toxicities, negativities, mga past traumas, so you need to, hindi to madali, but at least you need to, sabi ko, this may well be an action time. Kailangan mo na talagang gumawa ng paraan para palayain ang sarili mo. Yes, I believe na hindi madali ang lahat. Masakit ang mga pinagdaanan mo. But always think na hindi na natin may babalik ang mga nangyari. We don't have control for what happened for the past months and for the past years. But still, the best mong gagawin dito, Taurus, ay kung paano ka mag-move forward. Kasi kapag mag-dwell ka dito, if you're still going to hold on to certain situation na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo, mas lalong mahihirapan ka. Mas lalong kang lulubog, mas lalong kang masasadsad sa frustrations and disappointments. Okay? With the Six of Swords, slowly make an action. Slowly, palayain ang isipan at puso sa mga hatred, sa mga hinanakit or frustrations. And believe me, kapag ginawa mo ito, everything will fall into place for you. Your manifestations and wishes and prayers will be granted for you in the soonest time. It's not hindi siya madaling paraan, but at least there will be progress for you, Taurus. Okay? So this is a very beautiful card. Okay, after all that you've been suffering, this May 2026, at least there's a light. Kasi with this star card here, there's a healing, there's a moving on. There's still a hope para sa'yo, Taurus. Meron pa rin pag-asa. Sabi ko, this is not the best time. Nakikita ko, this is a good problem kasi may busy ka. Pero ang pinag-usapan dito, kung you are looking for some ways or manifesting for money-related or financial situation, so may parating. Okay, may busy ka, may mga opportunities because there's an offer here, may help, may tulong na parating. You just need to help yourself also by doing your best to free, palayain mo ang sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi na talaga nag-work para sa'yo. Alright? So, Taurus, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and pray na marami nasasalang Taurus sa mga palito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga Taurus, yung soulmates sa inyong laging pagsama. Kasama kayo ngayon naroon namang ginagawa nyo. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi and God bless us all.